So when it comes to true wireless earbuds, you could save some money or you could spend a lot of money and still end up with earbuds that just sound okay. And in the back of your mind, you probably know that if you just shopped around a little bit, you could have done better.
You've got to do better.
And you definitely can if you consider some other options like these stellar offerings from Huawei, because right now the price versus performance ratio is definitely in your favor if you're looking for a high quality pair of earbuds. So these right here are the brand new Huawei Freeclip earbuds. These are the Huawei Freebuds 5, and these are my personal favorites, the Huawei Freebuds Pro 3. And I've been testing earbuds here on the channel for the best part of a decade, and I can tell you from experience, these sound fantastic. So let's start with the unique features that each set of these earbuds deliver. The Huawei Freeclips look unusual, but they solve two major problems: being disconnected from the world around you and also ear hygiene. These are open ear, not to be mistaken for open fit, as they don't fully plug into your ears, they just kind of hover over your eardrums. And something that's truly unique to these earbuds is regardless of which way around you put them back in the case, they can switch the audio channels from left and right according to the way that you take them out of the case. Then we have the unique looking Huawei Freebuds 5, which are in fact open fit earbuds, so similar to the original AirPods without a silicon tip. And these are more tailored for you if you want a higher sound quality, but the comfort of open fit, and if you want to silence the noise, because these do have ANC. And actually, I think these might be the best open fit ANC earbuds out there today. And you'll like these the most if you're the type of person who does not like that plugged in feeling that you get when you use silicon ear tips. Then there's the Pro model, the most expensive of the three, but there will be affiliate links with discounts below this video if you want to check those out. And they're expensive for a good reason, because just like the Freebuds 5, they have high-res audio support, but these have better drivers. They have a dual driver setup in each earbud, and they can deliver an insane frequency response of 14 Hertz to 48 kilohertz. Just to give you some context on that, a lot of similarly priced earbuds will only give you 20 Hertz to 20 kilohertz. And what this means for you, to put this simply, is that you'll get better details in the higher frequencies and you'll get more depth in the bass. And these do have silicone ear tips, which create a tighter seal inside your ear, which can help with sound quality and also increase the flagship level noise cancelling qualities that these have. So now let's take a closer look at the designs. The Freeclips are incredibly lightweight but have good grip. They call this the C-bridge design. You could wear these with confidence to the gym or for a run. They won't come off easily, and because they're open ear fit buds, they won't get sweaty at all. And even if they do get a little bit wet with some rain or some sweat splashes, which is kind of gross but could happen, that won't be a problem for these earbuds because they have an IP54 rating, meaning that they can resist splashes and some dust. They look stylish and very unique. They're also available in purple. The case does support wireless charging, and it's a smooth pebble-like form factor, which makes them nice and pocketable. Now the Freebuds 5, they have this kind of egg-shaped case, quite similar to the Freeclips. The buds themselves have a very unique style, unlike anything else you've seen before probably. Huawei say these are sculpted for sound, and a couple of design advantages here for these earbuds is the weight distribution is very good, and even though they're open fit, they do hook into the ear very firmly, and also the location of the voice mics are closer to your mouth, which means the call quality should be even better from these. And I will do a mic comparison test for you guys towards the end of this video. These are IPX4 rated, so light rain will be no problem for these. However, you don't want to be wearing these in the desert, as they have no official dust rating. And if you are looking for this kind of open fit, I can tell you these are incredibly comfortable. Now going back to my personal favorites, the Freebuds Pro 3, the case is similar to the other two in terms of color, but it's a bit slimmer. It also supports Qi wireless charging, and the buds have that more classic stem style, but with some really nice angles to them, which make them look quite unique. Just like the Freebuds 5, they have that nice shape, so they hook nicely into your ears. But what gives these added stability in the ear is the silicone tips that just kind of lock them in place a bit better. And this is a double-edged sword, because the better fit creates a better seal in your ear, which can improve the sound quality, but also significantly improves the noise cancelling qualities that you get from these earbuds. And these are true in-ear noise cancelling earbuds. So we got 3 different categories here with the open fit earbuds. So this will allow a lot of sound to come through to your ears, which means you can stay aware of your surroundings better than you can with the other 2. You've got the open fit with ANC, so you've got the comfort that you get with open fit, but with noise cancellation, which is perfect for commuting with. Then you've got the ultimate ANC earbuds. Not only do they have the best ANC, they also have the best sound quality out of the 3 in my opinion too. Now let's talk about the unique user controls on each one of these earbuds. So these are the Freeclips that I have right here, and something that's very unique to these is the fact that you can tap next to your ear to control them. So you don't actually have to tap the earbud themselves. They recognize double taps and triple taps, and this can be remapped within the AI Life app. The Freebuds 5 recognize double taps, long holds, swipes for volume, and again can be remapped. And the Freebuds Pro 3 introduced the pinch feature, so you can pinch once, twice, 3 times, and they also support the slide for volume. And there are differences with the battery life. So the Freeclips without ANC can last up to 36 hours, and that's 8 hours per bud. Earbuds that have ANC of course use a bit more power, and a 10-minute quick charge can give you 3 hours of playback. On the Freebuds 5 with ANC off, you can get up to 30 hours and 20 hours with it on, 5 hours per bud with ANC off, and 5 minutes quick charge here can give you up to 2 hours playback. The Freebuds Pro 3 one up the Freebuds 5 by 1 hour, so 31 hours total time with ANC off, and 6.5 hours per bud. Now let's talk about the sound quality on these earbuds. The Freeclips do sound great, particularly when it comes to the vocal range, making these fantastic for podcasts. They do use a 10.8mm driver, which is large. And what you might be concerned about with these is sound leakage. So can people around you hear the sound from the earbuds? Well, actually, they can't hear that much because these use an exterior reverse phase on the outside of the earbuds to block out that sound leakage, and it works really well. You get a nice open airy sound from these, and like I said before, it's the details in the vocals that really stands out in regards to the sound quality here. And you can actually turn up the sound quality a little bit if you prioritize sound quality, because these do support L2HC high res codec, so you can level up your audio a bit if you feel you need a bit more sound quality from these. However, one thing to keep in mind when using high res codecs is the range is significantly reduced, but if you've got your phone in your pocket, you'll be absolutely fine. The Freebuds 5 also support high-res audio. They support Bluetooth 5.2, so multi-point pairing. The Freeclips also have multi-point pairing, but these have AAC, LDAC, and L2HC, and the drivers are bigger and better here with 11mm drivers. They use ultramagnetic technology. You get a nice full sound on these, very respectable bass, and the ANC certainly helps the sound stand out from background noise considerably better, as you would expect with this style. And this should be no surprise because the drivers here are going to sit much closer to your eardrums, and the vocal clarity and high range is also really nice here. And within the settings on the AI Life app, once again, you can prioritize sound quality, and you can even enable HD calls, which may reduce the battery life on the earbuds, but will improve call clarity. And no surprise, the Huawei Freebuds Pro 3 sound the best. Another reason why these are some of my favorite earbuds out there. These also support all of the high-res audio codecs, but like I mentioned before, these have even better drivers than the 5 because they actually have a dedicated planar diaphragm in each earbuds. Planar diaphragms are usually used in hearing aids and things like that, so that really focuses on the vocal frequencies. And then you've got that massive 11mm driver, just like the Freebuds, for those lower end frequencies as well. And this results in just fantastic sound. And on top of that, when you factor in the higher level of noise cancelling, that amplifies the sound quality even more. So these, in my opinion, if you are an audiophile, will be the way to go. Once again, keep in mind if you do use the higher res audio codecs, you will use a little bit more power and the range will be slightly reduced. Okay, so this is the microphone quality on the Freeclips, and I figured why not do the summary of these earbuds with the mics on these earbuds. So the Huawei Freeclips have quite a few advantages. They're super light, they're super comfortable. You can stay aware of your surroundings at all times. They do support dual connect, so multi devices. So for example, your phone and your laptop, and that interchangeable left and right channel makes life a lot easier when it comes to putting them back in the case and also taking them out of the case, the secure fit means they could be fantastic for running with and things like that. The sound quality is very good considering they are open fit, and the sound leakage is minimal, which is something I can't say for all of the other open fit earbuds I've tried in the past. And also they do have a deep neural network for voice isolation and background noise cancellation on the mic. So let me know how this sounds to you. Now, the Freebuds 5. Okay, so you're hearing the mics now on the Freebuds 5. These, just like the Freeclips, are incredibly unique when it comes to design, and they are incredibly comfortable. They have those large drivers and the high-res audio support and surprisingly good ANC for open fit earbuds. These, in my opinion, have the best noise cancelling of any open fit earbuds that I've tried in the past. They also use AI to block out background noise and pick up the voice a bit clearer. So let me know how that sounds. And like I said earlier on in the video, the fact that the mics are closer to your mouth should mean the voice call quality will be better than most. Let me know how these compare to the Freeclips. And now you're about to hear the Freebuds Pro 3. Okay, so now you're hearing the Freebuds Pro 3. These have amazing sound quality with high-res audio support, with the best drivers of the three, 11mm drivers with the planar diaphragm. So you get that wider audio frequency that a lot of other earbuds just can't compete with. These have the best noise cancelling and the most advanced noise cancelling algorithm. They call it the Intelligent Dynamic 3.0 ANC algorithm. And another reason why these are my favorite is the pinch controls. I'm a big fan of that, and I like the swipe gestures as well for the volume. And I actually like the look of these the best as well. And these actually have a bone conduction mic in them as well. So let me know if that's enhancing the voice call quality that you're hearing right now. So let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And if you do want to pick up any of these earbuds, there will be discount codes below this video, and those are affiliate links. So if you do use those, you will be supporting the channel, and I would greatly appreciate that. And if you want to check out my dedicated reviews on the Freebuds or the Freebuds Pro 3, those thumbnails on screen right now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't be late.